modernity. This is a land where the footprints of diverse cultures have left their indelible mark. From the age-old wisdom of the ancient Indus Valley civilization, whose ruins whisper tales of a time long past, to the vibrant pulsating metropolises of Karachi and Lahore, where tradition and innovation coexist in a riotous symphony of sights, sounds, and flavors. Here, nature paints its masterpiece with a broad palette. From the soaring, snow-capped peaks of the Karakoram Range, standing as silent sentinels against the azure sky, to the arid, golden sand dunes of the Thar Desert, stretching endlessly under the scorching sun. Every corner of this land is a testament to the diversity and beauty that can be found in the world, if only one knows where to look. This is Pakistan, Asia's hidden gem, a land of countless wonders waiting to be discovered. Begin the journey in the northern highlands where the majestic Karakoram Range stands as a testament to nature's grandeur. The Karakoram Range, a crowning jewel of Pakistan, is a spectacle of towering peaks, icy glaciers, and deep valleys. It's home to K2, the world's second highest peak, often termed as the Savage Mountain due to the extreme difficulty of ascent. Yet, its breathtaking beauty radiates an alluring charm that draws mountaineers and explorers from around the globe. But the Karakoram is more than just a cluster of snow-capped peaks. It's a vibrant tapestry of life. The region flaunts a unique assortment of flora and fauna, some of which are found nowhere else in the world. From the elusive snow leopard to the majestic Marco Polo sheep, the wildlife here is as diverse as it is captivating. And then, there is the rich botanical world. The valleys bloom with wild roses, lavender, and a multitude of other flowers, painting the landscape with a riot of colors every spring. The higher altitudes are graced with rare species of juniper, birch, and willow trees, their resilience a testament to nature's tenacity. But what truly sets the Karakoram apart is its cultural heritage. The region is home to a myriad of communities, each with its own unique customs, traditions, and languages. The renowned hospitality of the people here is legendary. Visitors are often greeted with warm smiles, open hearts, and a cup of steaming chai, making their journey through these rugged terrains feel a little less daunting. From the ancient rock carvings in Hunza Valley that speak volumes of the region's historical significance, to the enchanting folk music that echoes across the valleys, every aspect of the Karakoram is steeped in rich cultural traditions that have been passed down generations. The Karakoram is a place where nature and culture intertwine, creating a mesmerizing blend of beauty and heritage. It's a place where the air is thin but filled with the aroma of wildflowers, where the terrain is harsh but heartwarmingly welcoming. In the Karakoram, every mountain peak tells a story, every valley sings a song. Descend from the mountains to the historical heartland of Pakistan, where time stands still amidst the ruins of bygone eras. Welcome to Punjab, the province known as the historical heartland of Pakistan. Here, history is etched into every corner, and the echoes of the past reverberate through the bustling streets and quiet alleyways. Punjab is home to a wealth of historical and archaeological sites, each with a unique story to tell. Take a step back in time as we explore the ancient city of Mohenjo-Daro. This city, which was one of the world's earliest urban settlements, dates back to the Bronze Age Indus Valley civilization. Marvel at the well-planned streets and advanced drainage systems that were clearly ahead of their time. The grandeur of Mohenjo-Daro is a testament to the advanced culture and society that thrived here thousands of years ago. From the ruins of the old, we move to the splendors of the relatively recent past. The Mughal-era Lahore Fort, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, stands as a magnificent reminder of the grandeur of the Mughal Empire. With its intricate architecture and stunning frescoes, the fort is a living testament to the artistic and architectural prowess of the Mughals. But the historical heartland is not just about ancient ruins and grand monuments. The vibrant culture and traditions of Punjab are as much a part of its history as its architectural marvels. The region is known for its world-renowned cuisine, which is a scrumptious blend of flavors that tell a story of centuries of culinary evolution. From the hearty Punjabi breakfast of halwa puri to the mouth-watering Lahori kebabs for dinner, every meal is a celebration of Punjab's rich culinary heritage. And let's not forget the famous Punjabi lassi, a traditional yogurt-based drink that is the perfect antidote to the region's hot summers. In the heartland of Pakistan, history is not just a thing of the past, but a living, breathing part of everyday life. This region is a testament to the resilience and spirit of the Pakistani people, a place where the past and present coexist in harmony. Dive into this historical heartland and let the stories of the ages unfold before your eyes. Venture further south to Karachi, the vibrant heart of Pakistan's economy and culture, where tradition and modernity exist side by side. In the city of Karachi, the air is alive with the hum of conversation and the rhythm of life. Here, the ancient and the modern dance a fast-paced tango, each step echoing through the bustling markets. The sound of haggling vendors, the clatter of rickshaws, the aroma of spicy street food, and the vibrant display of textiles all paint a picture of a city that's full of life and character. Stretching out along the coastline, Karachi's beaches offer a serene contrast to the city's hustle and bustle. The soft lull of the Arabian Sea, the golden sands, and the warm sun form a tranquil backdrop where locals and visitors alike can find a moment of peace amidst the city's energetic vibrancy. But Karachi isn't just a city of sights and sounds, it's a city of stories, a city of soul. The thriving arts scene is a testament to this, with galleries, theaters, and music venues showcasing the creativity and talent that flow through Karachi's veins. Artists, musicians, and performers from all walks of life come here to share their craft, their passion, and their stories. Karachi's rich cultural diversity is its heartbeat. A melting pot of ethnicities and religions, Karachi is home to people from all over the country and beyond. This blend of cultures has shaped Karachi into a vibrant, dynamic metropolis, where every neighborhood, every street, every corner is a testament to the city's harmonious diversity. As the gateway to Pakistan, Karachi plays a pivotal role in connecting the country with the rest of the world. It's a city that welcomes everyone with open arms, inviting them to experience its wonders, to immerse themselves in its rhythm, and to discover the stories that make Karachi truly Karachi. Karachi, a city of contrasts where every street corner has a story to tell. End the journey in the unexplored frontier of Balochistan, a region that remains largely untouched by the trappings of modernity. Balochistan, Pakistan's largest province by land area, is a place where Mother Nature continues to paint with her boldest strokes. Here, the rugged beauty of the landscape tells a story of resilience and adaptability. The province's mountain ranges, deserts, and coastal areas are home to a variety of unique wildlife, including the elusive Balochistan bear and the majestic Sulayman markhor, a species of wild goat that is the country's national animal. This untamed wilderness is more than just a haven for nature lovers, it's also a testament to the resilience and adaptability of the Baloch people who have called this land home for centuries. Their history is woven into the fabric of the terrain in the form of ancient rock carvings and remnants of Bronze Age civilizations that hint at the region's rich past. But Balochistan isn't just about landscapes and archaeological wonders, it's also a vibrant hub of culture and tradition. The province's traditional music, filled with soulful melodies and rhythmic beats, echoes across the valleys, telling tales of love, loss, and the enduring spirit of its people. The dance forms, particularly the folk dance chap, is a sight to behold, reflecting the joy and passion of the Baloch people. And then, there's the cuisine. Balochistan's food is as unique and diverse as its landscape. From the succulent saji, a dish of whole lamb or chicken barbecued on skewers, to the hearty kadi kebab, a stew of meat and vegetables slow-cooked in a clay pot, each dish is a gastronomic journey into the heart of Balochistan's culture. Balochistan, a region of unspoiled beauty and unexplored potential, a fitting end to our journey through Pakistan. The untamed landscapes, the rich cultural heritage, the unique wildlife, and the distinctive cuisine all come together to make Balochistan a destination that is as intriguing as it is beautiful. It's a place where the past and the present coexist, where the echoes of ancient civilizations resonate in the rhythm of modern life. As our journey comes to a close, the wonders of Pakistan continue to resonate. We've traversed the towering peaks of the Karakoram, where nature's grandeur is displayed in its rawest form. We've journeyed through the historical heartland, where the echoes of ancient civilizations still linger in the air. We've explored the vibrant south, pulsating with life and bustling with energy, a testament to Pakistan's undying spirit. We've ventured into the undiscovered frontier, where the wild beauty of Pakistan's landscapes remain untouched, as if waiting for the right moment to reveal its secrets. From its breathtaking landscapes to its rich cultural heritage, from its bustling metropolises to its quiet, unexplored frontiers, Pakistan is a tapestry of experiences, a blend of the old and the new, the familiar and the unknown. It's a country that never ceases to surprise, to inspire, to captivate. Pakistan, a land of countless wonders, a world waiting to be discovered.